Pumunta ako dito with Sebastian. Rinap off kami nila mama at papa. You're so kulit.
You're so kulit.
You're kulit.
Cool.
You're kulit.
You're kulit. You're kulit.
You.
You.
Not me, you. Alis kami ni Grace. May appointment si Adam. What are you gonna buy for your visitor? Who's your visitor later?
Tita Ollie.
Tita Lori. Yeah.
Tita Lori and Tita Reg.
Tita Reg. Okay. Where is... Ganda umaga. Bubulong lang ako. Kasi natutulog si Adam. Hindi kasi ako nakapag-intro sa bahay. Pumunta ako dito with Sebastian. Rinap off kami nila mama at papa. Kasi sila mama at papa merong doctor's appointment today. So, nandito ako kila Chris. Magtutulungan ulit kaming mag-alaga ng 5 bata. Actually, 4 na lang kasi si Ava may pinuntahan. Sinundo siya ni Lawrence at Elisha. Pupunta sila dito sa jumping. What's that place called? Bubble something na play place. Kaya 4 lang alagaan namin today. Pero mamaya din uuwi kami sa bahay. Kasi day off naman. Bashan? Today's Monday, right? Yeah, today's Monday. Walang pasok itong 3, kaya nandito sila. And wala din pasok sila mama at papa later. So, ayun. Naputol ako sa sinasabi ko. Hindi ako makapagsalita ngayon. Pupunta kami after sa bahay. Pero for now, dito muna kami. Tapos, mamaya, siguro after ng gumising sila mama at papa, pupunta kami doon sa bahay. Binubulungan ko yung camera. Nilalupitan ko pag ginagano ko. Hindi ko kasi kadala yung yung dito? Yung mic ko. Kaya sana naririnig niyo ako. Look at the bangas, boy. May bagong na naman siya. Aminga, say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, people.
Hi, people.
People.
Hi, people.
People.
Hi, people. Hi, people.
What are you doing?
I'm drawing.
Is that the 3 sisters? Is that Mommy, Nina, and me?
No. It's Chloe, Nata, and me.
Nina and Tita Chris?
No.
And Mommy?
No.
Sebastian, get up there.
Where is everyone?
Your ate put it there. Her toys.
Where is Adam? Where is Ate?
Adam's here. Ate? Where's Ate?
He's in a bubble place.
Bubble place. See? I told you guys it's bubble place. It's just bubbles.
In place.
What's the name of the place, Kuya Bashan? Bubbles?
I think so.
Just Bubbles?
I don't know.
You never been there?
No.
Over the next weekend maybe. Let's go there, okay? With Tito Simon and Tita Chris. Is that yours, Amia?
Yeah.
What do you call that?
A headshot. A headshot.
What's that?
A headshot.
Headshot?
Yeah.
Headshot? Why is it headshot?
Because it's because it looks cute.
Because it's cute? Headshot? Okay.
He has water in his eyes. He has water in his
See?
eyes.
Now Kuya is coughing because you're coughing to his face yesterday. See that? Now Kuya is sick. Come with me. You're so kulit.
You're so good.
You're kulit.
Cool.
You're kulit.
You're good. You're good.
You.
You.
Not me, you.
Ew.
Show people how you mocking Jacob earlier. How's Jacob crying? Copy him. With the thumb sucking. He cries like that, right? You were mocking him. Ay! Gandang umaga. 8:43 pa lang aga natin nagising. Kasi aalis kami ni Grace. May appointment si Adam. And pupunta yata kami sa mall. Wala pala ako. Isang gamot ko pala. Naubos ko na ng kahapon. Yeah, sasamahan ko si Chris sa appointment niya. Tapos pupunta kami sa mall. Kasi bibili kami ng or bibili siya ng tawag dito. Wait lang. Kunin ko muna ang kinukuha ko. Hindi ko siya mahanap. Kala ko wala na akong stock nun. Natuyo na naman ang aking face. Ito, naubusan ako nung hyaluronic acid. Yesterday ba yun? Yesterday nga siguro. Hirap niyang buksan. Baka sumapog to. Yeah, gusto kong pumunta ni Chris ka ng mall. Ewan ko kung what else ang pupunta niya doon. Or bibili lang talaga siya ng gift nung girlfriend ng isang kaibigan namin na pumunta dito galing Pinas. So pupunta siya or sila mamaya sa bahay ni Chris. I'm so sleepy pa. Hindi ako gaano nakatulog kagabi kasi bad trip ako kahapon. Kaya I think intro lang yung nagawa ko kahapon. That bad. Ay. Tika ko pa na bitawan ikaw. So kahapon hinatid kami ni Grace after sa kanila. Doon na rin kami nag-dinner. Doon na rin naligo yung mga bata. Ito kakatulog ko. Siguro 4 or 5 na ako nakatulog. Tapos nagising ako ng 7:46 yata. Ay. Nakatulog kasi ako ng hapon doon kay Chris. Si Amelia inantok. Gusto niyang samahan ko siya. Kaya yun, natulog kaming dalawa. Sabi ni Chris, 2 hours na kami natulog. May ginawa pala ako kahapon kay Adam. He looks so cute. Pakita ko sa inyo. Pinicturean ko siya. May inuwi kasi si Jacob nung Sunday na dito, stickers and candies do sa binigay nila do sa kabilang side. Do sa mga kasing niya do sa kabilang side. And actually nasa akin yung loot bag niya. Kasi hindi naman kumakain ng matamis yung si Jacob. Gusto niya yung mga maasim. Anyways, so nasa akin yung loot bag niya. We need to hurry up. Ay. Hindi na ako nakapag-moisturizer. Ay. Saan na? Ang ganda naman pala nung pinunta nila Ava and Lawrence and Elijah. Kasi nga di ba yesterday, hiniram ni Lawrence si Ava. Kasi nga, inaanak niya yun. And then, gusto niya lang ipasyal. And wala rin siyang space sa car niya kasi meron yata silang pinick up na friends na kasama talaga nila. Kaya, inimbitahan nila si Ava, sinama nila. Anyways, so, pinakita ni Elijah sa akin yung, or sa amin yung pictures nilang dalawang magninong. Alam niyo yung mga yung mga mata doon. 360 na salamin, mirror. Ayun yung pinta nila. And, I don't know what else kung ano meron doon. Kasi hindi pa yata ako nakakapunta doon. But anyways, ang ganda ng pinta nila. Instagrammable. Ang pangalan ng place ay Bubbles. Ewan ko kung saan yun. Nag-enjoy naman si Ava. Less ingay. Kaya, nakatulog kahit papan si Adam. Okay, magbe-base lang ako. And off we go. Ganito yung mga stickers na dinikit ko kay kay Adam. Kasi hindi naman madikit yung mga yun. Pang bata lang talaga. Ay, ang cute! Ay, ang cute! Langgam. Yung isa, ano yun? Caterpillar. Yeah, may mga chocolates kasi dito kaya pinauwi na sa akin ni Chris. And ito, di ba? Mahal itong mga ganito. I forgot kung anong tawag dito. Pero yeah, pakita ko sa vlog one of these days. Kung ano sasabi kong yan. Pero alam ko mahal lang mga toys na yan. And pakita ko nga pala yung ginawa ko kay Adam yesterday. Tabi ko nga yung bilog na yan. Ayan o. Nilagyan ko ng stickers sa noo niya. Sa kabilang kamay niya. Pero meron siyang picture dito na ayan. Tinitingnan niya yung isang kamay niya na walang sticker. Kung ano yung merong sticker, ayun ang tinitingnan niya. Ay, kung ano yung walang sticker, ayun tinitingnan niya. Look at that. He looks so cute. Ay, 8:57 na. Sana wala akong nakalimutan. Para tumalas ko. Okay. Makulimlim na naman ang kalangitan. Tapos pala nagdala ko ng ayaw. Naririnig yung owl. Maingay na naman siya. Papahabain ko na yung bangs ko. Hindi pa ako nagtitrim ulit eh. Well, depende. Depende sa mood ko. Pag meron ako nakikitang sasakyan, ay tawid na ako. Doon ko na isipang tumawid. Galing ako eh. Where are we, Dida?
And the doctor.
Oh, take that off. And then,
And the doctor.
yeah. We're waiting for mommy, right? Kakapasok lang nila sa appointment. We're late. Adam's late. What's gonna happen to Adam if he's late?
Noodle.
Huh?
Noodle.
The doctor will give him
Noodle.
noodles. Needle. A long needle.
Why?
It's just a joke. I'm so sleepy, Dida. Oh, where's my phone? Nahulog ko.
That's one. Back.
I got something in my eye. Parang nagbabalat ang aking face.
Ba?
There's something here.
Ba?
Where are we going later? Are we going to the mall again?
The mall again.
What are you gonna buy for your visitor? Who's your visitor later?
Tita Ollie. And
Tita Lori, yeah.
Tita Lori and Tita Reg.
Tita Reg, okay. Where is Tita Lori came from?
From her house.
No, Philippines.
Yeah.
She's from Philippines.
Where's mommy?
Mommy's inside.
Oh.
We're not gonna cry, right? And wait for her.
Beep, 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 beep.
Finish your ano, so I can give you my phone. Finish your milk. Keep drinking. May masayang bata. Ang happy. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Aww. Yun lang, si Nina ang walang phone. But it's okay. What happened? Let me see.
I am broken. I am broken. I am broken. I am broken. I am.
Wala na pala kayong nakita.
I am broken.
There.
Sobrang daw
Ooh, what's that?
You got camera. Kaya sabi lang, buti wala kayo doon kasi I init. My God.
Oh, yeah.
How hot was it? How hot are we
Like
talking about?
38, 43.
No way.
So
No way,
literally,
Jose.
we went to the
You say
beach.
43?
We would be,
So,
I would
So,
literally
guys.
swim before walking.
guess
By the time, yeah. So
So,
before we went back to the,
Yeah.
or if we wanted to keep
That-
walking, I would go back to the beach.
Sabi nila the coffee was disappointing. Was it? Did you try?
I brought a couple.
Yeah, they said it was. Don't drop it,
It was,
Massive though.
oh, like around.
New person.
I guess it depends.
Yeah. Did you like it though? And then they said.
Yeah.
Here, buddy.
The coffee I see,
Consider
I just want to show the guys the guests.
For not, for like,
English lesson pa. See? English term. Say hi. What's her name?
Jacob.
Like,
You're not-
spot. So honestly, like, I think
Hi, Andy.
hours are already accepting you.
Papakain na siya.
It's just staring at us.
I honestly think it's like,
So
That's okay, good.
yes, it was expensive, but that's what people were saying. Well, you chose to go to
yeah.
a tourist spot.
But they were saying, kahit na hindi tourist spots,
Guys.
kahit na hindi you go outside of
You
the
don't
pero mahal. Pero but it's like, it's nothing special in terms of their food. Parang nothing that stands out.
Yeah, you don't. I don't think they have actual.
Kasi mas mapelo nila sa atin.
I am Jacob, so I'll show you.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, yeah.
Yeah.
The ones that-
So you know, like tacos, burritos. So nothing really special.
So
Plus, if you decide to
Good
like,
outside.
Western meals like steak,
there's some bunnies.
that would be
See some
more.
bunnies. See, it's good at it's so good.
Yeah. Tara, kaya tayo.
So
Kaya tayo? Yeah, let's go. Lori, come!
Let's go out
We
there.
missed you! How's your trip? Tiring. Yeah?
Akala ko may bagong dinala si Richie.
so can you say hi?
Really, that, I saw her face.
That's Nina's guys. Say hi to them.
Hello guys, I don't know who guys are, but I can see it. Where's Adam? Hi Daddy. My head looks so too close.
Yeah.
Hello,
So-
my name is Adam.
So it's
My
fun.
name is Adam. How can I help you, Kuya?
My dad wants to meet you.
Ano kuya?
Extended,
Fine.
extended child.
It's fine.
What is this? What's this?
They're about to leave.
It's
Usually we buy seven.
so
Yeah.
that is you and Adam.
And Adam.
Dito na kayo? Okay, that's it.
So
Come on, let's go have dinner.
Give me my ano. Stop playing with it. Let No.
Oh, guys,
What are you? Parang naglolo ko na tong ano Itong mount ko Gumaganon siya. Humihiga siya. Ewan ko kung napaluwagan ko siya or what. But anyways, katatapos ko lang mag-skincare. And may kwento lang ako about nangyari kanina. So, yung bisita namin kanina, kila Grace, friend namin yung isa doon, si Reg. For sure na rinig niyo na siya sa vlog or nakita niyo na siya sa vlog. And dumating yung girlfriend niya from Philippines. And every time na nandito yung girlfriend niya, binibisita niya kami doon kila Grace. So, kaya 10 something na ako nakauwi kasi si Kenneth nilock niya yung door. And tinawagan ko si Papa para buksan yung garahe. Anyways, ayun, sana merong nakuhang matinong vlog si Jacob kasi hiniram niya tong camera ko kasi sabi niya he wants to say hello to you guys. Kanina kasi habang nag-aantay kami sa sa doctor's appointment ni Adam, nakita niya na dala ko yung camera. So, ayun, naalala niya nung umuwi kami. Sabi niya, Nina, can I borrow your camera? Sabi ko, mamaya na pag nandiyan na yung mga bisita para siya. Para may makuha siyang vlog kasi gusto niyang nag-vlog din. Na-enjoy niya yung pag-vlog namin. Kaya natuwa naman ako. So, I let him borrow my camera. Ayun. Tapos, bago ko i-turn on tong camera ko, nag-aas na i-center yung recenter yung gimbal niya. Naka-turn on siya kanina pa. Ilang oras ako doon kila Chris. But anyways, tapos na akong hindi na akong papatuyo ng buhok kasi matutuyo na yung maya-maya. Hindi, itatapat ko na lang yung itatapat ko na lang yung ulo ng ko dyan sa heater, sa paanan ko kasi nandiyan yung heater para matuyo siya. Hindi pa naman ako matutulog right away kasi antayin ko medyo tuyo siya. But anyways, inaantok na ako guys. Ayun lang yung vlog ko for today. Tomorrow, I don't know kung may lakas akong pumunta kila Chris. Kasi ang aga-aga natin nagising kanina just to go to Adam's appointment, and nag-molding kami kanina. Merong chance na mag-video ko kasi lang ang lalakas ng mga music nila sa mall. Anyways guys, see you guys tomorrow. I'm so sleepy. Mukha akong bangag. Have a good night. Bye.